On this World Press Freedom Day, the United States stands with journalists and media workers who perform an essential public service, safeguarding the right to information for all. Their work thrives only when governments uphold and protect freedoms of the press, expression, and association. It is easy to forget, even in the United States, that these freedoms are not guaranteed and can be eroded. In Central Asia, the Kyrgyz Republic has long stood out for its independent media landscape, serving as an example of journalistic freedom in the region. However, there has been a troubling decline in recent years. 2023 to 2024 marked a particularly alarming trend. Journalists in the Kyrgyz Republic have faced increasing pressure, including raids, lawsuits, and even criminal charges for their work. They also experienced intimidation, cyberbullying, physical attack, and interference. Over the last year, independent media outlets and journalists have had to fight for their survival. They have spent months battling in court to maintain their right to operate and keep the public informed. Even now, some journalists remain in prison. Despite these daunting challenges, these courageous journalists and media professionals continue to perform remarkable work that benefits the people of the Kyrgyz Republic. A notable example is the investigative journalism that uncovered a massive customs corruption scheme run by Raimbek Matraimov, who laundered at least $700 million out of the Kyrgyz Republic, money that could have funded education, pensions, and healthcare for the Kyrgyz people. It was the diligent efforts of journalists that brought his extensive corruption to light, leading to his arrest. A free press is the guardian of truth. Journalists and media professionals illuminate and educate. They give voice to the voiceless and hold the powerful accountable. The United States is committed to supporting journalists and their vital work, both in the Kyrgyz Republic and around the world. A free and independent press is essential for a healthy democracy and a brighter future.